Hey there, friend. Today we have 3 big times problems to solve together. Don't worry, we will go nice and slow, one step at a time. Let's start with the first one. Let's write 1478 on top and 12 on the bottom. We line up the numbers on the right side. First we will times by 2, then times by 1 in the tens place. Let's times 1478 by 2. 8 times 2 is 16, write 6, carry 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15, write 5, carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. We get 2956. Now we times 1478 by the 1 in the tens place. That is really times by 10. So we put a 0 at the end and get 14,780. Now we add 2,956 and 14,780 together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13, write 3, carry 1. 9 plus 7 plus 1 is 17, write 7, carry 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7. Then 1. Our answer is 17,736. Awesome job. Problem A is done. 1478 times 12 equals 17,736. Now let's move on to the next one. Here is problem C. We write 5,217 on top and 93 on the bottom. First we will times by 3, then times by 9 in the tens place. Let's times 5,217 by 3. 7 times 3 is 21, write 1, carry 2. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. We get 15,651. Now times 5,217 by 9 in the tens place. That means times by 90, so we put a 0 first. 7 times 9 is 63, carry 6. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 6 is 15, carry 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, carry 1. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46. We get 469,530. Now we add 15,651 and 469,530 together. Add each column from right to left carefully. We get 485,181. Great work. Problem C is done. 5,217 times 93 equals 485,181. Now let's do the last one. It's the biggest. Here is problem F. We write 1,093 on top and 465 on the bottom. This time we have 3 digits on the bottom, so we do 3 rows of times, by 5, by 60, and by 400. Let's times 1093 by 5. 3 times 5 is 15, write 5, carry 1. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 is 46, write 6, carry 4. 0 times 5 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. We get 5,465. Now times 1093 by 6 in the tens place. Put a 0 first because 6 is in the tens place. 3 times 6 is 18, carry 1. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 1 is 55, carry 5. 0 times 6 is 0, plus 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. We get 65,580. Now times 1093 by 4 in the hundreds place. Put 2 zeros first because 4 is in the hundreds place. 3 times 4 is 12, carry 1. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 1 is 37, carry 3. 0 times 4 is 0, plus 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. We get 437,200. Now we add all 3 rows together. 5,465 plus 65,580 plus 437,200. Add carefully from right to left. We get 508,245. You did it. Problem F is done. 1,093 times 465 equals 508,245. That was a big one. Look at all three answers together. You solved every single one. Remember, for big times problems, just break the bottom number into ones, tens, and hundreds, do each row, then add them all up. You are a math star.